You're a good boy.
Hi, Daisy.
You're a big boy, yeah.
It's always nice when your heads are waist high so you can just say hi.
Like Remington's like a nice footrest on the couch.
There you go. Hi, sugar. Do you remember me? What's his name?
This is Manny.
Manny.
Yeah, and he's looking for a home.
Hi, Manny.
Hi, you smell my treats. You smell my treats.
Oh, you're looking for a home?
Big dog.
Hey, Mommy.
See that? What I
Just
have
making the
there?
rounds, saying hi to everybody.
You can't just have one, they're way too small. You didn't even eat it?
Oh, thank you.
You smell Coda?
That's a good boy.
Oh, he's so sweet. Hi, baby. Look at that face.
It's like Remington. Nice to meet Lisa. Nice to meet you too.
Wow. Dropped off or?
He was transferred here about 2 months ago. I've been working with him every day, just getting him more trusting of people, basically, is the main thing we've been working on. It used to be he would get really nervous when people would pet him. He would kind of growl or snap at people trying to pet him on the head, but he's totally past that now. As you can see, he's
Yes, he is.
just making the rounds, coming up to everybody, looking for attention.